In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva on your phone. If you've ever tried designing on a small screen, you already know it can feel a little awkward at first. But the good news is that Canva's mobile app is built to make phone editing simple once you know where everything is and how the touch controls work. In this guide, I'll walk you through the full process so you can create graphics, flyers, social posts, and more right from your phone with a lot more confidence. And to get started, open Canva on your phone by tapping the app icon on your home screen. If you prefer, you can also use Canva in your mobile browser. Once Canva opens and you're on the main home screen, look for the circular plus button near the bottom center and tap it. This is where you begin creating a new design. Next, choose the size and format for your project. Canva will show you a list of design presets you can scroll through. Pick the one that matches what you want to make, like an Instagram post in portrait format or a story layout for vertical content. Choosing the right size at the beginning helps your design fit the platform properly and gives you a smoother editing experience. Once your blank canvas opens, it's time to add graphics. Tap the purple plus button at the lower left to open the content menu, then choose elements. At the top, use the search bar to type keywords that match your design style or theme. When you find something you like, press and hold the asset, drag it onto your canvas, and release. Canva will place it into your design, and you'll see guides and outlines that help you position it accurately. After that, let's add text. Open the lower menu again with the plus button, tap text, and choose Add a Text Box. Double tap inside the box to bring up your keyboard, then type your headline or message. Along the bottom, you'll see formatting controls where you can change the font and adjust the look of your text. Choose a clean, readable font and use the corner handles to resize it carefully so it fits your layout well. If your design has overlapping items, you can organize them by using the Layers option in the bottom toolbar. Tap Layers, then press and hold any layer to move it up or down. This makes it much easier to control which items appear in front and which stay behind. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check by moving objects around and watching for Canva's built-in guidelines. These help you snap everything into place and keep the layout balanced. When you're happy with the result, tap Share at the top right, then choose Download. Set the file type to PNG for a sharp, high-quality result, and tap Download again to save it to your phone. And that's it. You now know how to use Canva